Hi guys on YouTube, see what we got here. So this is the parcel I received about an hour ago, and I'm here to actually not do an unboxing but to share my happiness with you all, especially the track bike race lovers there. So let's see what we got in here. Just keep it here. So guys, this has been my dream for very long, and then it has finally come true. It's nicely packed, although it took a lot of time. It took about 10 days to reach me. I'll tell you from where just in a while. Here we go. There's another layer of packing just to keep the contents safe. So here it comes out. Keep it aside. Here we go. And look here what we got. Take a guess, guys. So this is my new helmet, and this is an Airoh. Guess what model this is, if you can, looking at the size of the box. I know it's going to be tough, but all right, I won't create more suspense and go in for the opening of this. So I don't want to spoil the packing, so I'm going easy. So here we go. When you buy handmade, you are wearing a dream. 5-year warranty on this guy, and this is amazing. This is the first time I'm noticing that there is a 5-year warranty on a helmet. Let's see what we got about. So guys, this is the Aviator 3 model. I haven't seen actually anyone wearing this, and that's the reason I thought, although I've been using an Airoh, but that was in Striker. So the pricing of this is manifold the old Airoh Striker, although it held me very nice and safe during various races. But then I had 2 crashes in the last Sajoba, which is Sajoba 2026, and one of the crash was right I went and hit into a tree, and the helmet took some beating. So I thought it was time to give it some rest. All right, so let's see what we have here in the box. So this is a size M helmet. So I know my size in an Airoh. Trying another brand of helmet would have been little, contemplative and a little risky, because I don't know whether, like, I have a Bell helmet and it fits me a little tight, although it's M2. Wow. So I think these are some accessories which come with it. Now I think this is the only helmet which comes with a mount on the helmet, and it's a proper mounting which goes on top of the helmet. I'll show you once I open the helmet. It goes on top. I saw a video review of this, and that's where I came to know of it. And I think this is maybe the chin portion. We'll learn as we open the helmet and see where all these fits. Oops, these are again 2 pieces of I don't know what. All right, these are I got it. So these are, sorry, my dogs. So these are the plugs, and I saw in the video that you can plug the wind during the winters, which is a good thing, so that you don't feel cold. Wow, this is amazing. This is a lanyard, and I think this is some sort of a lock or a key. I still don't know. We'll have to see what this is. Very nice. So guys, my most expensive helmet so far. You can comment and I'll let you know as to how much did it cost me. And at the same time, I want to thank, okay, now these are this is the peak extender, the helmet peak. This is to extend that, and these I'll have to figure as to what they are in some time. So I want to thank the Airoh 8 for sending this to me, and nicely packed, nicely done, sent by DTDC. Final face off. Let's see how. Wow, and this is the first look, guys. Wow. This is amazingly beautiful, feels so good, and this time I've gone in for the gloss finish, not a matte, but a gloss finish. It's a sticker which has come along with it, and I think it's got something else also inside. So you can go and check the various features of this helmet online. I just want to tell you, I'll also share it with you once I have used it. But then these come, this helmet comes with these magnetic, see, you must have heard the sound. So it's magnetic, just take them out, wash, dry, and just put them back. So you don't have to, look for slots and try and fix them up. So it's out here right now. You just go and just very, very easily just put it back, and it sticks to the magnet. And let's see how it is to wear it. So guys, this helmet is made in Italy. There's a marking here which says made in Italy, and it's beautifully designed. So guys, I'll just wear it and show you how it looks like. So the fit is nice and snug. Please share your comments and tell me how the helmet looks like, and if you want to know any other information about this, please do hit me. Guys, I'm going to give you the link where to buy it from in the description. You can go and find out other details also. Please check out the description, and don't forget to comment and like. Bye bye. See you on the track.